Hey guys, today is April 19th, I think. But I'm finalizing my new YouTube channel, so I'm going to my cousin's house. Wow, my voice is so low right now because I just woke up. Unless my voice is this low all the time, but I just don't realize it. Anyways, so I'm going to my cousin's house because he's gonna do a mini video shoot for me for my intro for my vlogs. So it's kind of exciting. So yeah, get ready with me.
Alright, so I've never done a makeup video before, so this is my first one, so I hope you guys enjoy, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up that I am in no way, shape, or form a makeup guru. I just do whatever looks good for me, and yes. So here, I'll show you the bottle later on, but here I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation in NC42, and I am using a MAC 190 SE foundation brush. So just keep rubbing that stuff on and make sure there's no streaks or anything, and then everything is covered. Then I am here using my beauty blender, which is really awesome. Just make sure that everything is packed in and blended away. Obviously, hence beauty blender. So, as I said before, I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. So, I have my Smashbox step-by-step contour kit. So, it comes with a contour stick, a bronzer stick, and a highlight stick. So, I'm just using that down the cheekbones, down the jawline, around the hairline, and then obviously down the nose when I need to. Yada, yada, yada. I like to use my beauty blender to blend in my highlight, but I use a Quo multi-purpose angled brush to blend in my contour and my bronzer. I don't even know if that's what it's used for, I just use it. I don't even know if what I'm doing is right, I just do it and it works for me, so I just keep on doing what I'm doing. I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but it works. So now I put on some Prep and Prime color correcting loose powder. It's used to set your foundation, or you can put it on your bare skin for a more finished look. I never ever use it unless I'm doing like fancy things. I don't use it on an everyday basis. But I'm using it with an EcoTools blush brush. Obviously I'm not putting blush on, but once again, it works. And for more setting and stuff, I'm using a mineralized skin finish in medium dark, and I use my MAC 129 SE brush. Then I put my eyebrows on, so I use CoverGirl 740 Brown Smolder, and I use an EcoTools EcoTools Angle brush. Eyeshadow, I'm using a MAC Pro Longwear eyeshadow in Mauvelous, and I'm using an Estee Lauder brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. I just get it for free, so I just use it. To darken my contour, because along the way it kind of gets covered up, I usually like to use my Revlon Nearly Naked Press Powder in 50 Deep, and I just use it with the same Quo multi-purpose brush. So for my blush, I use the MAC Ambering Rose Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush. I think it's A95, and I use an EcoTools Tapered Blush brush. So for some more setting, I use the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. It's 02 Sunny for darker skin, and I use the EcoTools Bamboo Sheer Finishing Kabuki brush. There's so many layers. I feel like some of it is like totally not needed, but you know, this is just how I do my makeup, so yeah. For my eyeliner, I like to use liquid on top and then cream on the bottom. So the top is Maybelline Stiletto Liquid Liner, and the bottom is the Maybelline Cream Eyeliner in Blackest Black. Of course, I have to get my groove on in the middle of my makeup session. You know, it's totally normal. I'm pretty sure everybody could relate. Wow, I'm such a loser. Anyways, so back to putting on some mascara, and this is L'Oreal Voluminous in original, and it's just black. False lashes if I want to. Depends on what what the occasion is. So last but not least, my lips. So here I'm using Rimmel London Lasting Finish Lip Liner in 07 Cherry Kiss. Depending on how I like to do my lipstick that day, sometimes I use this or I alternate it with my MAC A85 in Current lip pencil. The Current one is a lot darker than the Cherry Kiss. So it really depends on where I'm going or how I'm feeling that day. And then I top it off with my Viva Glam 3. It's a matte lipstick. This is probably one of my favorite lipsticks. I use it every day, all the time, literally for every single occasion. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, or subscribe, and follow me on social media. Everything will be in the description box below. Peace!